The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M tries to be that convenient desktop pro machine. Core XY all-metal structure, fully auto-leveling, a 280 degrees Celsius capable direct extruder, 3S detachable nozzle, and FLASHFORGE's emphasis on an easy maintenance experience. The build volume is 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, which is enough for most hobbyist and prosumer projects. The listing is useful. At the time of scraping, the Adventurer 5M listing showed an example price and strong buyer engagement. It's shown with a multi-thousand review count and roughly a 4-star average on the listing, but prices can change, so I recommend checking the link for the latest. Talking to it like a vlogger. This is the kind of printer that makes you smile because it reduces friction. The detachable nozzle and one-click features are genuinely handy for rapid swapping and reducing downtime. Print quality out of the Adventurer 5M is very decent for its class. The Core XY mechanics give stable motion, and the direct extruder handles a range of filaments. On the customer side, the listing shows a lot of 4-star and 5-star reviews praising usability and reliability, while the negative notes usually mention that to squeeze the absolute best finish, you still need some slicing experience and fine-tuning. For classrooms, content creators, or tinkerers who want a mostly smooth setup, this machine is a sweet spot. Pros: easy maintenance, detachable nozzle, good all-metal Core XY hardware, auto-leveling, strong biofeedback. Cons: like most capable machines, it rewards some time spent learning slice optimization, and some users expect perfect prints at top speeds, which is not realistic without tuning. Customer ratings on the page are favorable overall. Remember, we share by links in the description box.